Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called Mrs. Officer. It is a one-wall dance, absolutely beginner's line dance. I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions, but before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. If you want to dance along to the music, wait till the end and let's dance together. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also please share this video, and let's get it. So I'm going to turn my back to you. And it's very easy. We're going to start with a double tap on the right, out to the right, to the left, and 4 singles. So this is how it looks. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4 single, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Double on the right, double on the left, and then alternate your singles. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to move it forward. We're going to do a cha-cha and we're going to do a full turn. Here we go. We cha-cha up, right, right, step, pivot, half, keep it going. Left, back, right, left. Okay, so what we did a full turn. So you shuffle up on the right, right, step left, pivot, half step left, right, rock back, right, left. Okay, so you right, left, right. When you step left, right, step with that left again and complete that rotation with a triple. Left shoulder going forward, left, back, right, left. Okay, so that's a cha-cha with a step pivot, quarter turn to your right, complete the rotation, make another half turn, and come back to the front. Okay, that's a cha-cha with a full turn. So let's do it from the top. 5, 6, 7, double. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 single. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha. 1 and 2, pivot. 3, 4 left, 5 and 6, rock. 7, 8. From here, we're going to do rock up and recover. So we step forward on the right and we're going to rock up, recover. Rock up, recover. We're going to do that 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're going to do a clap. We're going to roll to the right, roll left, roll right, roll left. End of dance. I told you it was easy. So instructor, this is a dance you can easily call out on the floor. You don't really have to break this down. Just call it out on the floor. If someone is having trouble with the steps, just move towards them and help them with the step, okay? You can just call this out. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and double. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, single. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha. 1 and 2, pivot. 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the dance, it's a one-wall dance because each time we start this dance, we always going to be at the front wall, okay? That's how you determine if it's a one-wall, a two-wall, or four-wall. At the top, when you finish the dance and you start over again, what wall are you at? You're at this wall. So the idea that we cha-cha and we turn, it doesn't matter. When you start the dance over, when we go back to the top and start the dance again, what wall are we looking at? We never move. We start at this wall. We always start at this wall. So that's how you know it's a one-wall dance. Now, if I start over and I'm at another wall, okay, that means it might be a 2-wall or 4-wall, okay? So there you go. That's called Mrs. Officer. It is a one-wall dance. Make sure you watch the demo. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.